This is Legal Update with Cunningham Bounds.
Hello, I'm Drexel Gilbert, and today on Legal Update, we're talking about injuries caused by drunk drivers. And joining us are attorneys from Cunningham Bounds, Robert Mitchell and Lucy Tufts. Now, Lucy, tell us, just how dangerous are drunk drivers?
Well, every day in the United States, 28 people are killed and tens of thousands are injured in drunk driving crashes. Many of these people are innocent victims. In fact, a recent study shows that more than half of all fatal crashes are caused by drunk drivers.
On average, 2 out of 3 people will be involved in a crash caused by a drunk driver at some point during their life. The likelihood goes up when you include crashes caused by people under the influence of illegal drugs. Many of these crashes change people's lives in dramatic ways.
And that is so frightening. If someone is injured by a drunk driver, what should they do to protect their legal rights?
If there has been a serious injury or a death, finding the right plaintiff's firm is important. Drunk driving cases can involve complicated legal issues. They also require a prompt and thorough investigation so that key evidence can be preserved.
Experience, resources, and results matter, especially in the courtroom. Defendants and their insurance carriers know which law firms get results in the courtroom. Do your homework before hiring a plaintiff law firm.
Robert's right. We've obtained over $18 billion in verdicts and settlements. No one else in our community comes anywhere close to that. Don't settle for less. Your family's future depends on it.
Well, thank you so much for sharing such important information with us. That has been today's Legal Update. Thank you for joining us.
To have your potential case evaluated by a Cunningham Bounds attorney, call 1-800-472-6191.